How to react with avatar on your Instagram story. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. First thing first, in order to react with avatar, you have to create your own avatar. So head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on edit profile. Tap on this icon right beside your profile picture and then click on create avatar. So first of all, you need to select your skin tone and then tap on next. Choose the hairstyle that you prefer. Once you have selected the hairstyle, tap on next. Choose the color for your hairstyle. When you are done, tap on next. Now select the outfit for your avatar. You can select whichever you want from here and then tap on done. Tap on save changes. Your avatar has been created successfully. Now you'll be able to react with your avatar on Instagram stories. So go back and head over to your feed. Head over to any of the story that you want to react with avatar. So let's say you want to react to this story. Tap on this send message. Now just tap on your avatar. From here tap on whichever avatar that you want to react. There you go, you have successfully reacted with your avatar on this story. In order to check it out, go back and head over to the inbox of that person. Well, the reaction has been sent. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.